This is a video of me testing 3 different resistors on a multimeter. One's a 2000, a 5000, and a 10,000. So the first one right here, you see you put these together and it comes up as 5.94, which is about, 5. So that's a 5000. Then there's the 2000 or the 2.1 in the 2000 range, and then there's the 10,000, which is a 9.7, and then there's also an LED right here. Whoops. This right here. So you have to put the anode side of the LED with the right wire on the multimeter for it to light up, and you can see it's lighting up. And that was testing 3 different LEDs, or 3 different resistors and an LED with a multimeter.